Rift sawing makes an old school wood like red oak more modern. This is such a trip. So at a sawmill, they can take a log, cut it a little bit differently, and what you get is a really refreshed look, especially in a wood like red oak. So this is not the red oak that your grandpa was building with. I mean, it's the same wood, cut a little bit differently. I just love the tight, straight grain in this. It's got a more subdued and sophisticated look to it. So we're gonna talk about what rift sawing is, what it means to you and your woodworking, but first, I sent Corey out to make something out of this. I really like what he came up with. I want to show it to you.
All right, let me come in on the bottom of the screen and tell you a little what's going on here. I'm making a wall hanging to go in the laundry room. Wanted to build a shelf area to keep the keys, wallet, things like that. I'm cutting out a circle on the left side that's going to be where I can put a picture of the kids, and then using that cutout to make the shelves. Pretty simple, nothing too crazy, just wanted to let the red oak speak for itself.
Rift sawn boards are the ones that come out of the log at an angle to the growth rings. That's what produces the really straight grain on the face and on the back of the boards. Compared to other types of cuts like plane sawn, that's where the growth rings kind of arc across the width of the board. And this gives the wood more lively grain patterns, or what's sometimes called cathedrals. And then in quarter sawn boards, that's where the growth rings are perpendicular to the face and the back, or straight up and down. And when it's just right, some types of woods like oak will show off this beautiful medullary ray flecking. Essentially, rift sawn's in the middle. It doesn't have the broad, wide grain patterns that you find in plane sawn, and then it doesn't show ray flecking like quarter sawn does. It's just super chill, straight grain. In a sense, rift sawn lumber is just a byproduct. So no matter how a sawmill cuts up a log, some boards are going to come out looking more rift sawn, which is why you'll find it incidentally in a pile of plane sawn lumber or a pile of quarter sawn lumber from time to time. Now, why would you want rift sawn red oak? So other than aesthetics, a nice benefit is that it is less likely to cup or twist. And that's because the straight grain just makes it more predictably stable. But have you ever finished a project, shown it to someone, and they go, wow, what a dimensionally stable masterpiece you made here? You know, I doubt that's ever happened. So you really wouldn't choose it because of that. You'd really choose it because you like the look. There are a few ways that you can get rift sawn red oak lumber. First of all, you can find it just mixed into the regular red oak pile, just incidentally. You could also cut it from wider boards that have straight grain running down the edges, or you can come to a lumber supplier like us, who's already got it pulled out and separated for you. Once again, my name is Mark. I'm from Woodworkers Source. You can come visit us at any one of our 3 stores in Arizona. Plus, we got a website, woodworkersource.com. It's real easy to order online right there too. Come visit us. We'd love to see you. We'd love to take care of you. Thanks.